guys, welcome back to Lexi's World. Today I wanted to show you all of my squishy collection, and I'm really excited as well because I got for Christmas this giant donut squishy, and I love the colours and the giant sprinkles on it and the cute face. It's really slow rising and really soft to squish, and my favourite ones are this cookie and this popcorn. The cute thing about it is the buttery popcorn and the red and white stripes as usual, and I like the popcorn words and it's soft as well. And the cookie, I love the little Smarties with it and it's really soft as well. And from time to time I've been painting some of my squishies like these fries, and it used to be in a red holder, fries holder, but I've changed it to blue and pink like this, and it's really soft as well, and it makes it slow rising. And the other squishies that I have painted is this unicorn. It used to be yellow, red and green, but now I changed it to pink, purple, blue and gold. And all of the paint, when I paint it like this, it makes it really slow rising like this. And thank you. Oh yeah, and I really love these kind of squishies, and they're called Smushy Mushies, and they have like little buddies with them like these. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what was your favourite squishy, and click the subscribe button and click the notification bell if you want to see one of my videos again. Bye!